Hello and welcome to Smart Health, where simple daily habits lead to better health at every age. Do your legs cramp up at night and jolt you awake with sharp pain? If so, you're not alone. Studies show that over 60% of people over age 50 experience night leg cramps at least once a month. But here's the good news. In most cases, you can stop these painful cramps with simple changes at home, without needing medications. In this video, we'll cover 10 real causes of night cramps and 10 proven natural solutions. Stay with me until the end. We'll even do a quick stretch routine together. 10 causes of night leg cramps. 1. Dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, your muscles dry out, literally. Dehydrated muscle cells become irritated, tight, and more likely to cramp. Example, imagine spending the whole day out in the sun, forgetting to drink water. That night, your calf suddenly cramps. It's not random. Tip: clear urine, shashi, good hydration, dark yellow, shash and drink more water. 2. Low magnesium, potassium, or calcium. These minerals help muscles relax after contraction. When levels drop, your muscles stay tense and may spasm. Real case. A 55-year-old gardener complained of daily cramps. Blood tests showed low magnesium. After adding almonds and spinach, the cramps disappeared in a week. 3. Lack of movement. Muscles are like rubber bands. If you don't stretch or move them, they become stiff and weak. Example, if you sit for long hours, e.g. watching TV or during long travel, blood flow slows and muscles lose flexibility. Did you know? Just standing up every hour can reduce nighttime cramps by up to 30%. 4. Overuse or fatigue. Doing too much can be just as bad as doing too little. Heavy walking, gardening, or lifting during the day can overwork your muscles. Mini story: Mr. Robert, 63, walked 10,000 steps on vacation after months of inactivity. That night, severe thigh cramps. His muscles weren't ready for the strain. 5. Poor blood circulation or diabetes. When your circulation is weak, oxygen and nutrients don't reach your leg muscles effectively, especially at night. Sign to watch: cold feet, numbness, or pins and needles sensations may suggest poor blood flow. 6. Sleeping in awkward positions. Sleeping with your legs tightly bent or with toes pointing down can compress nerves and restrict circulation. Tip: try placing a pillow under your knees or using a blanket roll to support your feet. 7. Side effects of medications. Certain medications, like diuretics, statins, or blood pressure pills, can lower mineral levels or irritate nerves. Important: never stop medication without doctor advice, but always check side effects if cramps started after a new drug. 8. Alcohol or caffeine. Both substances cause dehydration and irritate nerves, making cramps more likely. Practical tip: avoid coffee or alcohol at least 4 hours before bed. Switch to warm herbal tea instead. 9. Stress or anxiety. When you're anxious, your muscles stay tight, even during sleep. Over time, this leads to cramps. Calm tip: deep breathing before bed helps. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. 10. Muscle loss with age, sarcopenia. After age 50, we naturally lose muscle mass, unless we actively maintain it. Weaker muscles cramp more easily. Did you know? Light resistance exercises 2 to 3 times per week can reverse muscle loss. 10 natural solutions that really help. 1. Drink warm water before bed. Warm water improves circulation and prevents nighttime dehydration. 1 glass of warm water 30 to 60 minutes before sleeping works wonders. 2. Eat magnesium-rich foods. Add almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, or even a square of dark chocolate, 70% plum. Real example: Maria, 68, added spinach to her daily lunch. Within days, her nighttime cramping reduced. 3. Add potassium-rich foods. Oranges, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and watermelon are excellent. Try half a banana or 1 slice of baked sweet potato with dinner. 4. Do light stretching before bed. Gentle stretching keeps muscles relaxed overnight. Let's try a quick example. Sit on your bed, extend one leg, gently pull your toes toward you for 10 seconds. Repeat on the other leg. Just 5 minutes can prevent hours of pain. 5. Soak legs in warm water. A warm foot soak relaxes tight muscles and improves blood flow. Option: add a handful of Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, to the water. It soothes muscles. 6. Massage legs with olive or coconut oil. Massaging stimulates circulation and helps muscles stay loose. Do it for 3 to 5 minutes on each leg, focusing on calves and soles. Bonus: use lavender essential oil for a calming scent that promotes sleep. 7. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Substitute with warm milk, turmeric tea, or chamomile. Fact: one study found people who quit evening caffeine had 40% fewer night cramps. 8. Sleep in a relaxed leg position. Don't let your feet point downward. This tightens calf muscles. Tip: try sleeping on your back with a pillow under your knees or on your side with a pillow between your legs. 9. Eat cottage cheese or yogurt before bed. They contain casein protein, which digests slowly and nourishes muscles overnight. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons is enough to support nighttime recovery. 10. Take a 20-minute walk daily. Walking improves blood flow, keeps muscles toned, and reduces stress. Bonus tip: walking outdoors also boosts vitamin D, which supports muscle function. Quick bonus: mini stretch routine. Let's do a quick 60-second stretch. 1. Stand near a wall or chair. 2. Step 1 foot back, keeping it straight. 3. Bend the front knee, keeping your back heel flat. 4. Hold for 10 seconds. 5. Switch legs. Repeat twice. This targets your calves, the most common cramp area. Final thoughts: nighttime leg cramps are painful, but they're also preventable. With small changes to your daily routine, hydration, diet, and movement, you can reduce or even eliminate them naturally. These 10 remedies are safe, affordable, and effective. And best of all, they work. But remember, if your cramps are frequent, severe, or spreading, it may signal a deeper condition. Please talk to your doctor. Outro and call to action. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share with someone who needs it. Don't forget to subscribe for more senior-friendly health advice every week. Have you ever had night leg cramps? What worked for you? Tell us in the comments. Your tip might help someone else sleep better. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and pain-free with Smart Health.